All right, so today we are going to see the real life analogy of Claude Code and how it actually works. So let's begin. Let's say, or let's imagine that you are building a house. Okay. So in a traditional coding, where you used to do everything yourself with a handbook, what you used to do is like you read the manuals. And then in this case, let's say you are building up a house. So you yourself have to measure, cut, and fix mistakes one by one. In terms of GitHub Copilot, which is actually a power tool that helps while you work, what it does is like it speeds up the task, suggests the next cut or screw, and still needs constant guidance. Now comes the most important part, that is, and the most interesting part of Claude Code and how it actually behaves. In the real sense, the Claude Code acts as a full service master builder who understands the entire blueprint of the house or of your code. In terms of the coding sense, it understands the entire blueprint of your code. And it builds complete rooms, not just parts. That means it is capable enough of building different concepts, different ideas inside your project, different scripts. Then anticipates structural issues before they happen. So it is also capable enough of anticipating any issues inside your code before they are actually going to happen. Okay, this kind of a perception or a pre-perception that you can say. Then explains why each decision is made, and fixes problem automatically, and then leaves the site organized and ready to use. That's the beauty of Claude Code. It does each of these tasks step by step. So in this case, we have actually taken the example of building up a house. Understand or imagine the same thing in terms of coding. When it comes to coding, the Claude Code is capable of doing all these things one by one, like understanding your code, then building different parts of your code, anticipating issues, explaining why a certain decision is made, then fixing the problems automatically, and then making your code ready to use. Okay. However, we will be seeing the practical use case of Claude Code in a real working example inside Visual Studio Code. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much for now.